7 is equal to 0, giving your answers correct to 2 decimal places. So this is the equation that we are required to solve. 3x squared minus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. So we are going to write the standard form. The standard form for a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation. This is the general equation. So now we need to find the values of the constants a, b, and c. So we correct the data. We need to look for the value of a. A is the coefficient of x power 2. So when we compare x power 2, a is equal to 3. B is the number in front of x, is the coefficient of x. So b is negative 5, because negative 5 it is in front of x. C is negative 7. C is negative 7. A is 3, because this is x power 2, this is x power 2. A is the coefficient of x power 2, so A is 3. B is the coefficient of x, so the coefficient of x in the equation that we are given is negative 5. C is the constant, which is negative 7. Then from there we come up with the formula. X is equal to negative b, positive or negative, b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So x is equal to negative b. B is what? Negative 5. Positive or negative. Square root. What's the value of b? B is negative 5. Squared minus 4. A is 3. So where there is c, c is what? Negative 7. Over 2. What is a? A is 3. X is equal to negative times negative is positive, so it's a 5, positive or negative. Negative 5 squared. How do you punch on the calculator? So you do like this, negative 5, then inside the brackets, then you square. This is negative 5 squared is 25. It's 25. Then now you multiply. This is negative. Negative times negative, negative times negative is positive. Then you say 4 times 3. So you say 4 times 3 times 7. This is 84 over 2 times 3 is 6. Then you say x is equal to 5, positive or negative. 25 plus 84. So 25 plus 84 is 109 over 6. Then from there you have x is equal to 5 positive or negative over what? Over 6. So now we need to find the square root of 89. We need to find the square root of 109. So now how do we find the square root of 109? We say square root, then 109 like this. Square root of 109. So the square root of 109 is 10.44030,651. Then from there we are going to say x is equal to 5. We pick one sign. We are going to start with the positive sign. We take one sign at a time. So plus, leaving a negative. First of all, we start with addition. 10.44030,651 over 6. So we are going to add. This is 10.4430651 plus 5. So it's a plus 5. So we get what? We get 15.44030,651 over 6. So we divide this by 6. We get what? 2.573 384418. So what do we do now? We need to round off this answer correct to 2 decimal places. So x is equal to, remember the instructions, they are very clear. Is saying giving your answers correct to 2 decimal places. So 2 decimal places, you start from the decimal point, you count 2 numbers to the right, 1, 2. So this is the last digit to be rounded off. Now the next number is less than 5, so 7 will stay the same. So it will be 2.57, or meaning we need to find the other solution. So the other solution is x is equal to, we start from here where we are given two signs. So instead, in the first place, we took a positive sign. Now this time around we are going to use a negative sign, minus. Here we took a positive sign here. Now we are going to get a minus. So this is 5, then minus 10.44030,651 over 6. So we say x is equal to, so we say 5 minus 10.44430,651. Okay, so the answer is negative 5.44030,651. Then we divide by 6. So we get this number, then we divide by 6. So we are getting negative 0.9067177751. Now let's try to round off this answer correct to 2 decimal places. So we count 2 numbers right after the decimal point, 1, 2. The next number, the last digit to be rounded off is 0. Now let's try to look for the next number. The next number is more than 5. So we add 1 to 0. So negative 0.91. Therefore, the final answers are, therefore, either x is equal to 2.57 or x is equal to negative 0.91. So these are the answers. Thank you very much.